welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So today, it's another project here. This is a 2008-ish na Yaris. So it's more of a tuner car. Alam ko maraming folks dyan sa labas na mahilig sa car na to. Ano papagawa ni client? Number one, most of the stuff is aesthetics. So inaayos lang natin, tatanggalin natin yung tint, bibigyan natin ng magandang detailing, ayusin natin yung kanyang headlights. Maliban dyan is actually yung aircon ng car na to. Kulang yung lamig ng kanyang aircon. So ayusin din natin yung aircon niya yan. I hope you guys are excited. Let's go! So upon testing, yung sagad na temperature natin, this is already from the mid, 27 degrees. Super duper duper init to. Lalo na pag walang tint yung kotse nyo, tas maaraw yung sa labas. Kasi magiging sauna yung car nyo. Gagawin na natin yung magic natin, ayusin na natin to.
5 minutes later.
Ayan, natapos na yung gawa natin. So actually, nilinis lang natin yung kanyang condenser. Then, pinalitan natin ng Freon. So after ng simple magic natin, ngayon nasa 9.8 na tayo. Actually, bumababa pa yan kasi nasa sagad. Kanina, umaabot yan ng 9.4. So, karamihan, actually, wala naman masyadong kailangan parts na papalitan. Actually, hinilamos lang natin. Humihingi lang si car ng konting lambing kasi medyo luma na. So, pinalitan lang natin yung Freon, ayos na lahat. So, if you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Till I see you next time. Goodbye!
Yeah.